welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how I slick down my hair for a low ponytail. This video will be really quick, so keep watching and I hope you learn something. I've already done a center pattern, as you can see. I like it long, so I'm just going to brush my hair. I blow dried my hair. You need to blow dry your hair first. My hair is quite thick, so it doesn't look as if I did anything, but it still counts. Like that girl problem in it. I'm just brushing it and so I'm going to pack my hair. So I'm doing a low bun. I'm not going to do it too low because my hair is short, so I need to do it to a point that I can grab all my hair. As you can see, I'm struggling, really struggling. Then I'm going to add my gel. Oops. My hair today is so full. Like, why? That's why I normally prefer doing sticking down my hair or doing any ponytail hairstyle anytime like I get my hair texturized. Like, you know, those few days that your hair is still soft and will I say light, you know. So I prefer it during that time. So I'll be using this Style gel, this one, and this is a new one actually, and when you use it, it's like it's not as sticky as the other ones. Like, your hair doesn't stay like glued, you know, that that effect of gel. But no, this one is like, it just lasts for one day, even hours. I used to feel some type of way with the other ones. It's like my hair is like sticky, and you know, like that effect that it gives to hair, like, you know, my hair is like all glued together. Just, I don't like it. So I think this one is the best one for me. Let's not exaggerate with this gel. There's no highlight here. And then the back. So I'll be using this brush to brush it in. little bit of hair to cover. All my edges are almost gone. Like I'm brushing it first before I will still take out the elastic band and hold it again. This Denman brush is a lifesaver. So I'm going to take out the elastic band and tie my hair up again. I'm going to brush my hair. I think I will use this first. And this one, you need to be really fast when you're doing this. You really need to be quick, not everything dries up. So I'm going to pack my hair now. Taking more gel to stick the back. So this is how it looks on the back. I'm going to use this brush edges. I'll be using a scarf to hold it down. So we have come to the end of this video, and I really hope you learned something. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so, and I will see you in my next one. Kisses.